All right, guys. So you're welcome to my YouTube channel at Prophet 9, and also I am known as the Signal Lord. Okay. So just very quickly, I want to share some few things with us, just some few things, so that we'll be able to easily get projection for Euro USD and also one other instrument like that. So now this morning, I just quickly want to show us how Euro USD has been, surviving in an up move, whereby it is known to be a downtrend. Okay, basically, the first thing you want to check when it comes to analyzing an instrument is for the fact that trend is your friend. What is the longer term overview? What is the longer trend? Now, checking very well on Euro USD, the longer trend I have, it's a downward trend, and as you can see, Euro USD is more of a downward trend than any other thing. Okay, so I know that this guy is a downward trend, then anything happening around there is just price trying to make a false move. So unless there is a fundamental event that can easily change price direction, then I'm not expecting anything to happen on Euro USD like that. So the up move you are seeing is just temporary. And if you check my chart very well, can you see these two lines here where I've been able to identify my support level for Euro USD? So all the way back to the past, all the way back to the past. Okay. All right, let's do something like this. So this is to tell me that on the monthly time frame, this is a support zone. It was serving as a support. This is a monthly time frame now. We'll do what is called top-down analysis. So the top-down analysis, we are going to pick it from an higher time frame. Then from there, we'll bring it down to weekly, break it down to daily, break it down to 4 hours time frame. Then we'll now decide what to do on Euro USD, so to say. All right. So looking at what has been happening on Euro USD, can you see? So technically speaking, Euro USD is bouncing on the support in as much as it broke the support. So this is like a false breakout the from the zone, a false breakout from the zone. And price likes doing that a whole lot. Price likes doing that a whole lot. So a false breakout, and you see immediately price went back to the zone. And from the zone, it has been more of up and down, up and down. Now, somebody would want to ask me what's going to be my take on Euro USD. All right, so let's start from now. Basically, you should be looking out for more of selling rather than buying on Euro USD. Yes, more of selling rather than buying because eventually price will still fall. But right now it might not fall. So if you enter a trade right now, you might be in negative for a while. Right. So let's see now. I'll need to adjust a bit my trend line from the monthly time frame, okay, because I'm expected to connect, okay, AI to AI, but also price did a false breakout from the trend line. So right now, coming back to D1, I can still decide to draw another trend line, from the topmost point where price visited, right? But then most people say they like drawing their trend line from the body. Okay, but me, I would say, why not give room for liquidity? Price can create liquidity, and in creating liquidity, what do you expect? You expect price to fall. All right, so connecting eyes and eyes. Okay, ensure that you have two eyes. Look at this. So there's tendency price is going to get to this point here, out. So there's tendency price will get to somewhere around here. Properties. Okay. So there is tendency, price would, let me undo this. So there's tendency price is going to pull up to this point here. So I'm going to use my rectangle to highlight, this point. So this is a critical point. This is a critical point. This is a critical point for price. So somewhere around there. And if you check all the way back to this point, identifying support and resistance. So all the way back to those points,